So why do you choose makeup as a profession? Do you love it or anything else?
I love it. I really like the way that makeup makes me feel and makes others feel. When I do other people's
Yeah.
makeup and they feel really happy and they take pictures of themselves, I feel very
Wow,
happy.
it's great. It's
Hey,
great. Hi,
how are you?
I am fine. How about you?
I'm fine too, thank you. It's nice to meet you.
Yeah, obviously. What's your name?
My name is Clary. What's your name?
My name is Indrajit.
Okay, and where are you from?
I am calling from India. Where do you live?
I live in Argentina. Well,
Wow,
I am from Argentina, but now I live in Bolivia.
wow, nice.
Yeah, and
So,
what part of India are you from?
I live in Calcutta, in capital of West Bengal. It is called West Bengal, but it is situated at east of the India.
Okay, that's the only part I understood. East of India.
Yeah,
Yes, because I don't know any of the names of the capital cities or the provinces in India, so I don't really know the names. I'm sorry. But
okay.
yeah, what do you do there? Do you work? Do you
I am
study?
doing BTech. Only 1 year remaining.
Yeah, you are doing?
BTech, Bachelor of Technology.
Oh, okay. You're doing a bachelor's in technology?
Yeah, technology
Okay,
in the Department of Electronics and Communication.
okay,
Yeah,
okay. Electronics and communications. So when you study this, what do you usually do for work after this bachelor's?
after I want to seek the such type of job related to electronics, gadgets.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay. And what kind of electronics? Do you have anything in mind?
electronics means yeah, there are low voltage required to electronics, and as well as electrical means there are high voltage needed. And
Okay,
electronics also there are sensor, mobile, AC,
okay.
these kind of things are
Ah,
electronics goods. Yeah,
okay. Like appliances?
yeah,
Okay, appliances, right? So electronics that need a
appliance.
lot of energy
Okay,
and usually they're big, right? It's not like a phone, right?
okay, yeah,
Yeah? Okay, appliances.
I got it.
Okay, nice. And why did you choose this major?
Because there are a lot of opportunity in this department, in this category
Hmm.
of engineering,
In this
and
field?
all
In this
all over the
field?
world there are a
Mhm.
lot of things are required due to electronics. That's why I choose it.
Okay, nice. And what
Yeah,
year are you in university?
I am third year.
Third year.
Yeah,
Okay. So do you like it?
yeah, I like it lot.
Yeah, nice. You like it a lot, right?
Okay, a lot.
Yeah,
Yeah,
nice.
thank you.
And are you going to continue studying after your bachelor's or are you just going to do your bachelor's?
uh, no, I if I get opportunity from a company, then I should go for it. Otherwise, I
Okay.
continue my study as a MTech.
Okay, I understand. So if you get a job just with your bachelor's, you're going to go
Yes,
for it and start
yeah,
working, but if you don't,
exactly.
you'll continue studying.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I understand. And do you need to speak English well for the field that
Yeah,
you chose?
obviously, to present myself as a English speaker, and I want to improve my English skill, spoken English skill, and I love English. I love learning English. That's
Okay,
why I switched to Cambly. Yeah.
nice. Have you been on Cambly for a very long time?
No, it is fifth time only. I am newcomer.
Oh, nice. Okay, so how long have you been on Cambly? Only a few classes, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
it is
nice.
fifth time.
It
It is
is?
fifth time. Fifth, 5 times.
This is your fifth
Yeah.
class, right?
Fifth time, fifth class. Yeah.
Okay, nice. So what in particular do you want to work on Cambly? For example, conversation skills or grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary?
Only conversation skill to speak fluently like a native speaker.
Okay, nice.
But yeah, this is the only purpose.
Okay, that's your only purpose on
Yeah,
Cambly, right?
to make a conversation smooth.
Mm-hmm. Okay, to have a smooth conversation, right?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. And yeah, can you tell me a bit more about yourself? You told me that you are a student. And what
Yeah.
else are you doing at the moment?
During lockdown, I cannot go out, so that's why all the things are done in staying room.
Mm-hmm.
And my hobby is reading storybook. Drawing is my passion, and
Drawing?
is my passion.
Oh, okay, so you really like to draw?
Yeah, I
Nice.
love drawing, especially village scenario or urban scenario.
Okay.
Yeah,
Especially realistic images. And what else did you say?
scenario, village scenario, and
Yeah.
urban scenario.
Okay. Urban?
Yeah, urban.
Urban.
Okay, urban.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's more like an sound, like an kind of. Urban. Yeah.
urban.
Okay.
Yeah,
And what do
thank
you
you.
mean by urban scenarios? What does that mean?
There are a lot of uh, farm farms like, or there are a lot of congested area, and a lot of people are gathering,
Mm-hmm.
and there are a lot of buildings.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah,
So do you draw from real life? You look at an image and then you copy it onto the
yeah,
paper?
yeah, exactly.
Okay. Nice. And what do you draw with? Pencils or a different tool?
Pencil or watercolor.
Nice. Okay, so I think if you use watercolors, that would be painting, right? Not drawing, right?
Okay, painting.
I
Yeah,
think so, yeah, because when you use watercolors, you use a brush, right?
okay,
So if you use a brush, it's painting. Yeah,
okay. Yeah,
nice.
I love painting.
Nice. That's so cool. And do you paint onto paper or a canvas?
Only paper,
Okay.
art
And what do
paper.
you do with
Yeah,
your drawings?
I just passing my times by drawing.
Yeah?
Sorry,
Okay.
painting, by painting. Yeah,
Nice. You spend your free time painting and you just do it as a hobby?
it's my hobby also. It's my passion.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And for example, when you make a really beautiful painting and you're very proud of it, what do you do with it? Do you show it to your friends? Do you post
Yeah,
it
I
on the
show it
internet?
my family members, my friends,
Nice.
and they give me a lot of pleasure, compliment. That's
Yeah?
the happiness of me. Yeah.
Nice. Oh, that sounds so great. And yeah, for example, have you ever made a painting or a drawing specifically for someone else?
No, not at all.
No.
Only for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what do you do with them? Do you hang them on the walls or do you keep them inside a notebook, for example?
Inside, I just store it inside my safe, bookshelf.
Okay. Okay. So you just store them, and do you ever look at them? Like
Yeah,
take them out and go through them?
yeah. Occasionally.
Nice. That sounds so nice. And I'm guessing nowadays you have a lot more free time, right?
Yeah, that's why I am busy in painting.
Okay. And
But beside painting, there are a lot of syllabus are remaining, so that's why I have to complete this during lockdown.
mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. So are you taking classes online at the moment from your university?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I take online class. Yeah,
Every day or only a few times a week?
not 3 days per week.
3 days. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. So you probably have a lot more free time now than you did before. And do you have only one hobby, which is painting, or do you also do something else?
no, in my leisure time, I am listening to music and
Okay. Mhm.
or help my auntie cleaning room as well as washing dishes.
Okay. You help who?
My auntie,
Your
aunt.
your aunt. Okay.
Yeah,
So do you live with your aunt or with all of your family?
yeah. I I live with my uncle and aunt as well as elder uncle, elder aunt.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
nice. So sometimes you help her with the house chores?
yeah. Domestic chores.
Oh, that's so sweet. You're such a good nephew.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. And yeah, are you a little bored at the moment? Do you think the lockdown is a little boring or do you like it?
At the starting of lockdown, I
Mhm.
do not feel boring, but day by day, I feel little bit boring.
Yeah, you feel bored, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so you get bored, and the thing that made you feel that way is boring, right?
yeah,
So, for example, uh, learning about math is boring, so I feel bored. Yeah?
yeah. I feel boring.
No, the opposite. So, the word that ends with ed, even though both are adjectives, boring and bored are two adjectives. But the one that ends with ed is the person who feels this way. Yeah?
Okay. Yeah.
So if the lockdown makes you feel like you are bored or boring?
I feel bored.
Yes, bored. And
Okay.
is the lockdown boring or bored?
It is boring.
Yes, exactly. And this happens
Yeah.
with many other words. For example, entertaining, entertained, tiring,
Okay.
tired. Yeah?
Yeah.
So the word that
Yeah.
ends with
I got
ed
it.
is the person. Yeah?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, and we only have 1 minute left. Do you have any questions for me or anything you'd like
Yeah.
to know?
I check out your profile.
Mhm.
So why do you choose makeup as a profession? Do you love it or anything else?
I love it. I really like the way that makeup makes me feel and makes others feel. When I do other people's
Yeah.
makeup and they feel really happy and they take pictures of themselves, I feel very
Wow.
happy.
It's great. It's great. And looking you, I can understand you love makeup.
Because I wear a lot of it.
And yeah. And your hairstyle suits for you the best in the best way.
Oh, thank you so much. That's
Yeah.
really kind. Okay, so the time is up for today, but it was really nice to meet you and have a nice
It was
day.
a lovely conversation. Thank
Nice
you.
to meet
Stay
you.
safe. Stay.
You
See
too.
you soon.
Have a
Yeah.
nice day. Goodbye.